to Jamb 2011 Economics Past Question, question number 20. We're given a diagram that has a P, an L, X, T, 1, 2, and 3. And they say from the diagram above, the optimal point of production is the line between X and T. It's the line between X and T. So that is 1 and 2. And so that's the point of 1. Line at X and T is point 2. That is the line between X and T. So toss point X optimal. So option D is the correct answer. So D is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.